Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about Soracom Napter. Soracom Napter is our remote out-of-band and remote access service available through the Soracom Console. In order to utilize this function, we're going to need to ensure that our edge device is set up properly to be able to receive inbound traffic from the Soracom Console. In order to do that, let's go over and look at some of the settings available on a typical edge device to be able to receive inbound traffic. As you can see here, we're going to want to make sure that remote SSH and a specific port have been enabled and turned on, as well as HTTP or HTTP remote access is available with ports assigned to those as well. Once this is all set up and configured, we can head back over to the Soracom console and go choose a specific SIM card for us to remotely access. Let's look up one of mine and try to connect to it. From here, we'll want to click the Actions bar and the On-Demand Remote Access tab. This will give us options on the right-hand side, showing which port we would like to connect with and how long we want that access to be allowed for. If you're connecting through your computer that you're currently on, you can go ahead and leave this IP address range blank, but if you know the specific IP you would like to connect through, you could fill that in here. Since I want to SSH onto my device, I'll choose port 22 and allow it for 30 minutes. Down at the bottom, we can save the port mapping function. Click on it, and it will give us a list of options to connect to the device. From here, I want to SSH into it, but I can also use HTTP to get into the device as well through its web GUI, or even connect through Windows Remote Desktop Profile if needed. I'll go ahead and take that string that it gives me to SSH into the device, go ahead and throw it on a terminal, type in the proper login credentials, and get access into my device. From here, as you can see, we've now remotely SSH'd into the device over a dynamic IP address that is typically not able to be done. From here, I can query the modem and see what's going on with it. See, it's up and roaming and attached to the Soracom network, so we're good to go. And so as you can see, this is a great way to remotely access, check on your devices, and see what's happening with your fleet at an instant. Thanks again for listening, and take care.